Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Retool, a powerful platform for building internal tools quickly without needing no write tons of code. If you are tired of building internal dashboards or apps for scratch, Retool makes it so much easier. Let's dive into how it works. So, what is Retool? Retool is a low-code platform that lets developers create powerful internal tools in minutes. You can connect it to any database or API, drag and drop pre-built components, and build tools like dashboards, admin panels, CRMs, and more, all without having to code every little detail. First of all, head over to retool.com and sign up. For sign up, click on start for free. You can either use Google account or sign up with your email. Select your Google account and click continue. Now enter your full name and your organization name. Click continue. Click beginner. I have never written code before. Do you have a use case in mind? No, I'm just checking out. Once you are in, you will be prompted to create a new app. And you will be greeted with a blank canvas. This is where all the magic happens. Now let's build our first tool. Before you can start adding widgets and components, let's connect a data source. Retool integrates with lots of data services like MySQL, Firebase, and more. Click on the Resources tab. Then create new resource. Here you can select your data source. Let's use a PostgreSQL database as an example. Just enter your connection credentials and test the connection. You can also integrate with APIs. Just choose a REST API from here. Input API endpoint and set up authentication if needed. Now let's add some components. Retool comes with a ton of pre-built UI components like buttons, tables, forms, charts, and more. Go to your project. For example, let's add a table. Click on table from the left sidebar and drag it here. And it will automatically connect to the data source you configured earlier. As soon as you drop the table, Retool will show the data. You can customize columns, style it, and set the data source. You can do the same with forms or button or charts for visualizing your data. You can resize this table like this. Let's add a button. When clicked, it will trigger a query to update the database. Set the button's action. To run the query when pressed. Let's make our app look great. You can fully customize the UI by changing component styles like color, fonts, and borders from here. For example, you can customize the table rows, change the button color, or add icons next to your actions. Once you are happy with your app, you can share it with your team. You can share the app via a link or embed it on your internal website. And that's how you can use Retool to quickly build powerful internal tools. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.